For the curve y is equal to 4x power 3 minus 2x power 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So let us consider the point. Let the point on the curve be p alpha comma beta. Let us consider one point here, and since it is passing through the point, so which implies, so we can write beta is equal to 4 alpha power 3 minus 2 alpha power 5. Let us keep this aside, and now let's differentiate the given curve. So with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to 4 3s are 12x square minus 5 2s are 10x to the power of 4, and slope of the tangent at the point p alpha comma beta is given by dy by dx at the point alpha comma beta, so which equals to 12 times alpha square minus 10 times of alpha power 4. So this is the slope of tangent. Now equation of tangent can be taken as passing through the point p alpha comma beta and having the slope 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha power 4 at p alpha comma beta with the slope 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha power 4. We have y minus beta is equal to 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha power 4 m into x minus x1, that is x minus alpha. So we have, and since it passes through the origin, so which implies that 0 minus beta is equal to 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha power 4 times of 0 minus alpha, or we can write beta is equal to alpha times of, we can multiply here 12 times 12 alpha power 3 minus 10 alpha power 5, and from the first equation we have, from the equation A, beta is equal to 4 alpha cube minus 2 alpha power 5. Let us substitute that here. 4 alpha cube minus 2 alpha power 5 is equal to 12 alpha power 3 minus 10 alpha power 5. So from the equation A, so that we can take the terms to one side. 12 alpha power 3 minus 4 alpha power 3 minus 10 alpha power 5 plus 2 alpha power 5 is equal to 0, or we can take out the common alpha power 3 common, or 12 minus 4, let's simplify first. 12 minus 4, it's a 8 times of alpha power 3 minus 10 plus 2, it's a minus 8 times of alpha power 5 equals to 0, or we can take out 8 alpha power 3 common. So the next 1 minus alpha square equals to 0, or we can write alpha power 3 is equal to 0, or 1 minus alpha square equals to 0, or we can write alpha square minus 1 equals to 0. So which implies alpha plus 1 into alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is alpha is equal to plus or minus 1. So we got the 3 points here. When alpha is equal to 0, alpha is equal to plus 1, and alpha is equal to negative 1. When alpha is equal to 0, substitute in the curve equation. So we have beta is equal to, from the first equation, 4 alpha cube minus 2 alpha power 5. Let us substitute there. 4 times of 0 power 3 minus 2 times of 0 power 5. So we have 0, and when alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 4 times of 1 power 3 minus 2 times of 1 power 5. That's a 4 minus 2, it's a 2. And when alpha is equal to negative 1, so we have beta is equal to 4 times of minus 1 whole power 3 minus 2 times of minus 1 whole to the power of 5. So which equals to negative 4. and it's a minus of minus plus 2, so we are getting minus 2. So the 3 points are considered. Let's take the point P1 is the point 0 comma 0, and P2 another point 1 comma 2, and P3 third point minus 1 comma minus 2. So we can say that at these 3 points, the slope, all the points, the tangents which are passes through origin. Okay, thank you.